Hey, Alyssa. Hey, Angelina. How you doing? I'm doing good, Alyssa. How about you? Doing good? Uh, uh, uh. Alyssa, say excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you, girl. I can't call you boy. I'm calling you girl. Look out your eye, Alyssa. Right here. Your eye. Alyssa's eye. Alright, Alyssa, take this phone. Oh. Alright. Hey, my name is Alyssa. Today, we're going to look at Angelina's room. Oh, let's see. Beat a buddy, not a bully. See that? I'm a bully. But no, I'm not. Yeah, you're not a bully, Alyssa. You're not a bully. You're my buddy. You became a bully. Next time, I'm gonna put you on the fan. Lay down, Alyssa. Hold on tight, girl. Hold on tight, girl. Oh, what are you doing? Look at that, Alyssa. Look at that. Alyssa, are you okay? It's fine. Alyssa, that's enough. Alyssa, that's enough. Yeah, Alyssa, that's enough. Alyssa, that's enough. Yep, Alyssa, that's enough, okay? No more. Quit saying your mama's name. I'm gonna barge in Alyssa's eye. Alyssa's eye. I'm gonna look in the fridge. Alyssa, stop. Alyssa, stop. I don't like you. I don't care if you like me or not. You need to stop. You need to stop. I'm falling off the fridge. Goodbye, Alyssa. Goodbye, Alyssa. Alyssa, get out of there. I'm gonna put your name on the board. That's enough. Alright, that's enough of that, Alyssa. No more. No more. Are you okay? Alright, Alyssa, that's enough. Alright. You know, you're not Nathan. I mean, Drake. You're not Drake. Alright, Alyssa, that's enough. That's enough. No more. I'm about to barge in your room. I'm gonna beat Abraham. No, you're not. No, you're not. You're not changing your name to Abraham. I'm not calling you by a boy's name. Because calling a girl's name, and like you, I like calling you by a boy's name because you're not a boy. You're a girl. Yeah, you're not a boy. You're a girl. For you, Alyssa. and you're a flamingo. You're not a human. You're not a president. Abraham Lincoln died, but you're not a president. And you're not a cheerleader. Okay? We talked about that. Alyssa, say excuse me. Excuse me. Angelina, say excuse me. Excuse me. Oh! Sorry. Bye. Bye, Alyssa.